Hello clients, I'm Courtney Nine, Wealth Manager at Good Life Financial Advisors. It is hard to believe that we are into the third quarter of the year. I hope everyone is having a fantastic summer so far. I was able to spend a lot of time with my boys the past few months making fun memories. However, back to school is right around the corner and we're winding down summer activities and getting ready to start another school year. In between spending time with my boys, I was able to see many of you who have your annual summer reviews. For those of you who I didn't have an opportunity to see, I do want to provide an update on the overall financial markets. The past few weeks has put the second quarter earnings season on focus. Within a few weeks following the end of each calendar quarter, companies report their earnings for the prior quarter. About 85% of S&P 500 companies have reported second quarter results. The high levels are not particularly impressive from historical figures, but if we peel back some of the data, the numbers are encouraging and definitely more encouraging than where we were a year ago. I know your July statements look very healthy and it felt really good to see those numbers. Results and guidance probably haven't been good enough for stocks to add in recent gains that we have seen, but they have been good enough in LPL Research's view to end the earnings recession and limit the potential magnitude of any further pullbacks. There are some key takeaways from the earnings season that I do want to highlight. With 424 S&P 500 companies having reported results, a solid 80% have beaten consensus estimates. Earnings overall have stabilized in recent weeks, and upbeat guidance has increased the chances that we will finally end the earnings recession in the third quarter. Although some of this remains to be seen until we hear from our feds at the end of August. I would like to end with this. I think we can all agree 2022 was not a fun year. For some of you, it was an anxiety-ridden time. It was the year that you earmarked in your mind to retire, and you did, and we had to deal with the market like we did last year. For some of you, each paycheck you were investing into the market, and it felt like every dollar you were investing was just dissipating with the market, and it was very demoralizing. I do want to say this though, I'm proud of you. You stayed the course, although we had some extra hand holding we had to do last year, but you allowed our team to navigate some very uncharted territory. While we are not back to our all-time highs, we have made very nice recoveries so far this year. Doesn't mean the road ahead won't present some challenges, but as many of you know, especially those of you that have been investing for a long time, this is part of investing for the long term. So until I see each of you again, we'll keep working hard on our side, we'll keep finding opportunities, and we'll continue to stay in touch. If anybody has any questions, you do know how to get a hold of me. I hope everyone has an amazing rest of the summer, and I really look forward to seeing so many of you in the fall.